to Circle K at Alma School and what the fuck is this? Dynamite. To grab a Packard, and he picked a good pump to have it go out at, luckily. Hopefully this Mercedes isn't getting our way because we are coming in hot, so no one blocks me. Customer said I've towed this thing before, but I do not recall this car. I feel like I would. It's a beautiful color. Alright. I was kind of dreading this parking situation, but it's parked at like the perfect pump. He said it started pissing fuel, and then the battery died. I was like, bummer. Compounding issues. Alright, let's check it out. Where's he at? Would have assumed he'd be right here next to it. Oh, there he is. Damn it. What's going on, man? So it started.
You probably remember it now, huh?
Oh yeah.
The beast.
Yeah. So it's pissing gas and the battery died?
Yeah.
What happened?
I just picked it up.
Oh.
I keep it at the vault.
Oh, okay.
And I just picked it up, and on the way up here, it really started smelling like gas.
Okay.
I filled it up, and sure enough, there was a big puddle underneath, so...
Underneath the tank or the engine?
Underneath the engine.
Right there. Oh, okay.
So,
yeah, definitely don't want to try to start it then. I was gonna say we could jump it to get it up, that way I don't have to pull on it, but...
It's a 6-volt too.
Oh yeah, I'm not doing that. We'll put the clamps on a screwdriver and then just kind of tap the battery as you hold the key, just to give it that little bit, but we don't need to do that. That's why all my screwdrivers are blue. This one. All right. And then you called Robin to let her know it was coming, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. All right. Let's see. Come on. Fucking things. Whoop. Oh man, yeah, there's a pretty good pedal there. Over the sway bar, around the lower control arm. Okay. You riding with me, or you got someone coming to get you?
My wife's gonna come.
Okay, cool. All right. Let's get this engaged. Is it 3 on the tree or auto?
Auto.
Auto? auto? Okay, yeah. Just go ahead and jam it in neutral. Yeah, please. Say I'll have you do it so I don't get your interior dirty. Perfect. And then turn it slightly to the right as well. I'll probably have to adjust it, but I'll make sure I have my glove off when I do. A little bit more. Right there. It's perfect. All right.
You want me to put the window down? Or?
No, because I don't want to lean on the paint. Yeah. Come on. Let's see.
If you remember, the bumper will come really close.
But it doesn't touch. Yeah. I remember. Right. Yeah, no, we'll double check it as it goes up. Such a great looking car. They don't make them anywhere close to this anymore.
Switch the engine out.
Right. Right. If you do, definitely keep that engine on a pallet somewhere, though. So that thing, I'm sure, is worth some serious money. All right. Looks like it'll be good,
Yeah,
but
it'll be all right.
yeah, I just want to walk around and make sure. Oh man. Yeah, just watch the plate frame for me. Yeah. I can't see that part from up here. Good? All right. Then I'll do the same check when I drop it too. Thing is a boat.
It is.
Land yacht, as they say. All right. Park is just one up from neutral?
Yeah, it might be. I'm
Okay.
not really sure. All the way to the left.
Yeah, all the way up, right? Okay,
Yeah.
I just want to make sure. Just it didn't feel like, because you wait for those 2 clicks, I only heard 1, so just want to make sure. All right. So we got to get a little creative with the tie down because white walls. Let's see. It's some electric car. That's the only ones that make those noises. Oh, let's see, let's see. Come on. Around the lower control arm. loose for now. And for the back, do this and this. This thing is a fucking monster. It's huge. I'm ditching the Jeep. That's actually crazy. Fucking lady. And she's smiling at me as she does it. Hope that lady fucking trips. That was actually crazy. Fucking people. She's like going up on the curb to go around me and there's nothing behind her.
Get to use the Jeep that way, you know?
Right. Alright. Throw this around the rear end. Let's see. Oh man. Let me go up a little more.
If I pulled up in a Lamborghini, I asked him if he wanted to trade.
Oh, I can't see much. Under there, just want to make sure I'm not grabbing a brake line. The brake line is right on top of it, of course. Okay. So, let's see. Sorry, everybody. Hooking up to the diff and it's like tucked way up in the body. All right. There we go.
Yes.
Oh, I was like, what did I do?
Now I'm not going to be able to clean it.
This needs to be snug. It doesn't need to be medieval times tight. Good to go. You saw how I did the back hook, right? I just want to make sure. Soft strap around the actual axle and then the chain holds the axle or the strap around it, so we're not putting any metal on the nicely painted parts. And then same thing for the front, just around the control arm. Let's turn that off. Get the other strap. And we'll get this thing down to Air Park Motorsports. I don't know what this lady's doing. People think they can park wherever they want. Oh, that's my customer's wife. No lie. Sorry, take that back. Alright. All right. Good to go. We turn this off and I'll see what he wants to do. All right, backing into our friends here at Air Park Motorsports in Scottsdale. They love a Studebaker, or Studebaker, Packard. Other car from this time that is no longer around. And I rarely see. I think I towed a Tanner once too. I think it's called a Tanner, the one they made a movie about, the one headlight. I think I towed one of those at one point too for some reason. Let's go open the gate. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Is it locked? No. Yo, yo.
What's up, man?
What's going on? Got a Packard that loves to piss fuel and has a dead 6-volt battery.
All right. Nice.
How far back and whereabouts? By the dumpster?
This thing don't fucking run.
It's a fucking boat.
Yeah, it's fucking tough to push.
Yeah. I can stick around and help you push it in if you got a space for it right now, but...
Man, I don't know if you can do it or not.
Around the corner?
But take a look first.
Yeah, I was just saying, let's check it out.
I can move the forklift, that's not a big deal.
No worries. That'll kind of give me a clipping point if nothing else. Let's see. I've never actually been around the back, surprisingly. Really? Yeah.
Well, we got a few trailers back.
Oh, gotcha, gotcha. Oh yeah, I can do that, no problem.
You sure?
Yeah, absolutely.
'Cause I got the door over here. If you could just drop it by that last trailer right there. And I could just,
let's see.
or by that red truck.
Like, so the door you want it to go in is in front of the red
there,
truck?
Man. Yep, right there, right there.
Okay, gotcha, gotcha.
So just dump it where that red truck is.
You got it.
Perfect, man.
Sounds good.
Yeah, I'll move this thing out of the way.
All right.
If you can't, it's no big deal.
No.
Just dump it here.
No, I totally can. That's nothing.
Push it in.
Yeah. Ooh, my AirPod disconnected from my phone because I left it in the truck, so hopefully didn't pause the GoPro for whatever reason. Let's see. I think I had the GoPro app open still, so I should be able to see right away. Nope, still good. Okay. Back it around town. So the way I back into places that, like, you know, limited area or not, is I don't know what the hell he's talking about. Person texted me. So I kind of get close to one side, obviously, and then just kind of know that my other side is got all the room, if that makes sense. See, now he's standing on the corner. I don't know if you guys can see him, but we're gonna get real close to the gate. And then once we clear the back wheel, we'll cut it. Oop. There's a pallet. So now we know we got room. He's laughing. I saw the barrel, but I didn't see the pallet it was on. My bad. I saw the barrel, but I didn't see the pallet.
It's all right. It's only the corner.
I was like, oh, fuck. After I was talking all that shit.
That's all right.
I'll loosen these so I can get the other one out. Ooh, it's got a big whiff of fuel smell. Not good. Uh-oh. There we go. Come on. Got a couple of 2-milers lined up after this. Lucky me. Alright.
Did you see this guy's batteries?
Yeah. It's got like Optima ones, but they're bridged all crazy.
Did you see how old they are?
No.
Fucking 11 years old.
Oh shit.
We told this guy last time, man, you need this, you need this,
Yeah.
you need this. No, no. I'm sure you're gonna get it this time, man.
Alright. You know the yellow top ones, the marine ones?
Yeah.
I have one of those in one of my S chassis. It's from 2011, and it still works. But you know why? Is because I keep a tender on it at all times.
That's a big deal.
Yeah. It's also not ancient 6-volt technology. He was saying he wants to put a modern engine in it. I'm like,
In this thing?
yeah. I was like, LS swapping this thing would go crazy, and you would never have to worry about it.
Yep.
That's what I tell everybody with like says shit like that about these cars.
Then take it to fucking Vegas for LS Fest.
There you
man.
go. Exactly.
You're like, what?
Yeah.
This thing?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, a 427, man.
Hell yeah. Yeah, the bumper didn't get close at the pickup, but it is very long, so I just want to make sure I'm watching that. Don't want to get too close now. Jam it in neutral. Oy. Are these pretty rare? Or are they just rare to find complete?
I guess.
Yeah.
You don't see. I mean, this one's in really nice shape.
Right.
But man, I would never fucking buy something like this.
No, you and me both. I don't do cruisers. I'm not a fan of like just driving, you know.
Oh man, mine's gonna have a stick shift and a fucking nice V8 in it, man.
Exactly.
Cool.
Yeah. Golden. Yeah, that's why I like the Resto mod shit so much. Because
Oh, yeah.
it looks like it's old, but then it drives like a fucking race car, you know?
We got a fucking 64 Le Mans. It's the GTO clone, you know.
Yeah, yeah. Hell yeah.
Yeah, see all the fucking nice Resto mod on it.
Nice.
Fucking ton of shit here with LS's. An old Suburban.
It's the way to,
Blazer.
it's the way to do it.
Fucking Chevelle in here. The fucking GTO's got an LS.
Hell yeah. You guys done a lot with the LT, the newer ones?
We have one in the crate here.
Oh, okay.
Brand new, but that's going in the Cadillac. That's another project. Fucking Cadillac. I forgot.
Right. These fucking cars should have never came with straight 6s anyway.
It's got an 8.
This is a straight 8?
Straight 8.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Alright. He had the hood open when I got there. I just didn't even notice it.
That's a big fucking motor.
It looks like it just from the front end. You want me to stick around and help push it, or you got it?
Grab the other guy and we'll see.
Okay.
I'll just put it in here.
No worries. Get our drop-off picture. FedEx, get out of here. Dun, 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 dun. Shut the PTO off and make sure they don't need help before we head out. Hey, it's cold in here. I don't know where they went. So I guess we'll just stop the clip there.
Yeah, he's coming. Maybe 3 of us will be.
No worries. Yeah. 2 to push, 1 to steer is always the right amount. Unless it's like a MG midget.
Yeah. One person.
Right. Yeah. Oh, big boat bastard. Oh, fuck. Lots of room on this side. It's not gonna fit.
Cool. Thank you, man.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. What? Yes, okay. He did. Thank you. Just making sure I got paid. I appreciate that.